the best RGB DDR5 32GB RAM delivers blazing fast performance, smooth multitasking, stunning lighting effects, and reliable stability for gaming and content creation. My today's video is about top 5 best RGB DDR5 32GB RAM that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ATEC 32GB DDR5 4800 MHz. The ATEC 32GB DDR5 RAM module is an excellent upgrade for users looking to improve laptop performance without replacing their entire system. Running at speeds up to 4800 MHz, it delivers faster data access, smoother multitasking, and noticeably quicker application loading, making it ideal for gaming, content creation, programming, and everyday productivity. Its dual-rank, non-ECC design follows the JEDEC DDR5 standard, ensuring broad compatibility and stable operation across supported laptops, mini PCs, notebooks, and all-in-one computers. Installation is straightforward thanks to the plug-and-play SODIMM form factor, allowing most users to complete the upgrade in minutes. Once installed, the additional memory significantly reduces slowdowns during demanding workloads, enabling better responsiveness when running multiple applications simultaneously. Every module undergoes rigorous testing to ensure dependable performance and long-term reliability. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty and responsive customer support, ATEC provides excellent value for anyone seeking a durable, high-performance DDR5 memory upgrade with confidence and peace of mind. Now our second product is Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM 32GB. The Corsair DDR5 RGB memory kit is an outstanding choice for enthusiasts who want both premium performance and eye-catching aesthetics. Featuring 10 individually addressable ultra-bright RGB LEDs per module, it delivers vibrant, customizable lighting that enhances any gaming or workstation build. Beyond its visual appeal, this memory is engineered for high-speed performance, offering increased bandwidth and lower latency on the latest Intel DDR5 platforms. Onboard voltage regulation, controlled through Corsair ICUE software, provides more precise and stable overclocking than traditional motherboard-based controls, making performance tuning easier for experienced users. Custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles allow you to save optimized settings for different applications, helping maximize efficiency whether gaming, streaming, or creating content. Keep in mind that achieving the advertised maximum speeds requires BIOS configuration and compatible hardware, including a supported motherboard and CPU. Overall, this DDR5 kit combines exceptional speed, reliable stability, advanced overclocking features, and stunning RGB lighting, making it a top-tier upgrade for high-performance PC builds. Our third product is TeamGroup T-Create 10L DDR5 32GB kit. The TeamGroup T-Create Expert 32GB, 2x16GB, DDR5-6000 memory kit is designed for users who demand high performance, stability, and efficiency. With a fast 6,000 metric tons per second data rate and low CL30 latency, it delivers excellent responsiveness for gaming, video editing, 3D rendering, software development, and heavy multitasking. The dual-channel configuration maximizes memory bandwidth, helping modern CPUs perform at their best while reducing bottlenecks in demanding workloads. Its clean, professional heat spreader design not only complements minimalist PC builds but also provides effective heat dissipation for consistent performance during extended use. Built with high-quality components and rigorously tested for reliability, the T-Create Expert series offers dependable operation under intensive workloads. It is compatible with the latest DDR5 platforms and supports optimized performance on supported motherboards. Whether you're building a powerful gaming rig or a professional content creation workstation, this 32GB DDR5-6000 kit delivers an outstanding balance of speed, low latency, stability, and long-term value, making it a smart investment for future-ready systems. Now number 4, Lexar Thor Z-Series RGB DDR5 RAM 32GB kit. the Lexar Thor Z Series RGB DDR5 32GB kit, 2x16GB, is a premium memory upgrade built for gamers, creators, and power users seeking next-generation performance. Operating at 6000 MHz with CL38 latency, it provides exceptional bandwidth for faster game loading, smoother multitasking, and improved productivity in demanding applications. Its solid sandblasted aluminum heatsink effectively dissipates heat, ensuring stable performance even during extended gaming or rendering sessions. The vibrant, customizable RGB lighting adds a striking visual element and easily synchronizes with compatible motherboard lighting software for a personalized setup. Built-in on-die ACC enhances data integrity by reducing memory errors, while the onboard PMIC delivers efficient and consistent power management for greater reliability. Supporting both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO, the kit offers simple one-click overclocking on compatible systems, allowing users to achieve its rated speed with minimal effort. Combining speed, thermal efficiency, stability, broad platform compatibility, and eye-catching RGB effects, the Lexar Thor Z Series is an excellent choice for modern high-performance desktop builds. And our last choice is Acer Predator Vesta 2 RGB DDR5 RAM 32GB. The Predator Vesta 2 RGB DDR5 memory is a high-performance solution designed for enthusiasts, gamers, and professional creators who demand exceptional speed and reliability. With frequencies reaching up to 7200 MHz and carefully hand-screened DDR5 memory chips, it delivers outstanding responsiveness for gaming, video editing, 3D rendering, and intensive multitasking. DDR5's advanced architecture, featuring doubled banks and dual 32-bit subchannels, significantly improves data throughput, enabling faster processing and smoother overall system performance. The premium aluminum alloy heat spreader efficiently dissipates heat, maintaining stability during extended high-load sessions while adding a sleek metallic look to your build. Support for both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO allows effortless one-click overclocking and customizable performance profiles on compatible motherboards. The redesigned RGB light bar produces vibrant, customizable lighting with support for major motherboard ecosystems, including ASUS, MSI, Gigabyte, and Ashrock. Combining ultra-fast speeds, efficient cooling, broad platform compatibility, and stunning RGB aesthetics, the Predator Vesta 2 RGB is an outstanding upgrade for any modern high-performance DDR5 desktop PC. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.